Unboxing Princess back again in another video, and today we'll be unboxing the MacBook Pro 16-inch i9. Coming up shortly there'll be a preview of what I will be unboxing. So without further ado, let's roll the clip. This is the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is pretty much everything that we have all wanted in an upgrade in the MacBook Pro. We have a bigger screen, faster performance, better battery life, and more RAM. Can spec this thing out to an 8TB solid-state drive and 64 gigs of RAM. And of course, a redesigned keyboard. This is now using a new scissor mechanic. That keyboard design is being modeled after the Magic keyboards that we all love that comes with the iMac. This 16-inch MacBook Pro is now going to be replacing the 15-inch models. As you can see at the front of the box, it has an image of what the MacBook Pro looks like. Guys, I can't wait to unbox this, so let's unbox this and take a first look at it. It comes in two colours, space grey and silver, but this is a space grey version. Let's take the plastic off, guys, and reveal the MacBook Pro 16-inch i9. This MacBook Pro weighs about 4.3 pounds, so let's put this to a side. And of course, we have our USB-C cable, and I'm pretty sure we have all seen one of these before. Next, we have a little pack over here, and it's designed by Apple in California. So let's open it up. So it does, the first booklet, it has its MacBook Pro, and it just tells you some basic information about it and all the features about it. Oh, so we do have some Apple stickers, and the most interesting thing about this is, guys, is that they are space grey, because normally, guys, they come in white, and this will actually match my new MacBook Pro. And some more basic information. So let's put that to a side. So they made this a little more powerful, but still is the same size and form factor as the previous bricks. As you can see, it does have an Apple logo over here and on the other side. And it does have a USB-C port over here, so I can plug in my USB-C cable in order to charge my MacBook Pro. So let's put that one aside. You can get this in two different configurations. There's the 2.6 gigs 6-core Intel i7, and there's a 2.3 GHz 8-core Intel i9. So now back to the MacBook Pro. Let's lift this thing up and remove all the plastic wrapping. So let me tell you a few facts about the MacBook Pro. They also have a new 6-speaker sound system. That's supposed to give you studio quality recordings in 3 microphone arrays. This MacBook Pro has a 16-inch Retina display, up to 8-core processor, up to 8TB SSD storage for editing large files, and smooth multitasking, and up to 64GB of memory, and obviously the 6-speaker sound system. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe and on that bell notification so whenever I do a video you get the notification first. And I will meet you in my next video. For now, bye.